Hello everyone, I am Baburam. I hope you are doing well. Today I will show you how to make tortilla wrap. I have here julienne onion and this is tandoori chicken. Chicken thigh with tandoori marinade, but instead of this we can use any other chicken also. And I have here julienne tomatoes and I have mint chutney and tortilla bread. I will grill my chicken. We can put in the oven also, but if we have tandoor, it will be much better. We'll get nice smoky flavor. But this grill also charcoal grill. If we do here, we'll get nice smoky flavor. Color code and proper hygiene. Here you can see this chicken is very tender as well juicy. Now I will add here onion, lettuce, tomato and coriander, mint chutney, this is most important, and chaat masala. Now this is the time to mix all around the bowl. This is ready to have as a salad also, but I am making wrap. You can see I already keep it here tortilla bread. Now I will apply here a little bit mint chutney. Instead of this we can apply any other dips also, like a chipotle mayo, normal mayo, aioli, but I will apply mint chutney because this is tandoori wrap. This is similar with Kathi roll. This is very popular in India, as well all authentic Indian restaurant also. And this is the way how I will fold. Hopla! I'll just apply a little bit of butter here and I'll just put in the grill just for the mark. We can use panini grill also instead of this. So this is our very busy kitchen, so we don't have panini machine. We have grill here. We can give some cross mark also. And this wrap we can serve with French fry as well salad. As you can see, this is the wrap. This is ready already. Now I will put it like this and I will serve with fries. Little bit of chaat masala here, and we have nice the bucket here. This is very fancy. Just I'll put it in the side. And instead of fries, we can serve with side salad also, mixed later with any dressing. And he's as usual, he's very hard worker and very honest and humble person. I'm going to miss him very soon, but wherever I am, I will miss him forever. And if you like my video recipe, please stay connected with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the video, next video, and enjoy the round. Say something more.
Hello everyone.
Yes, chef.
Huh? Hello everyone. Hello everyone.
What's up? What's up?
Beautiful, gorgeous lady and Chef
Thank
Milton.
you. Hello.
What are you taking?
This is all the starters.
You know the menu?
Yes, of course I know the menu. Finish?
Chef Milton. How are you?
It's very much fine.
Okay.
Yes.
So what we have today?
We have these starters. We can from this mango, pineapple salad,
Okay.
and some sesame.
Okay.
And this spice roasted chicken with fried chicken egg noodles.
Okay.
And on this side, we have this red tuna ceviche.
Okay.
And on this middle is the tomato burrata. And on that side is the steak tartare.
Okay. How did you make that?
We have these 5 starters.
Yes.
Yeah.
Please, I don't want tomato. Yeah.
And mango salad.
Looks amazing. Huh?
Hi.
Say something, Amy.
How are you? Are you well?
Very good.
It's really follow Chef Babu. He's amazing. Okay.
Thank you so much for your kind words.
Open like this.